A few months ago, I noticed something about how I consume information. I'd spend hours watching YouTube videos, sit through endless meetings, and save tons of PDFs and links. But I wasn't actually using any of it later. I'd keep saving all this content, telling myself I'd go back and check it out someday, but realistically, I never did. So most of the knowledge just disappeared. That's why I built an open source project called AI Video Transcriber. It's already got over 2,600 stars on GitHub. At first, I thought the core problem was transcription, turning videos and audios into text. But after talking with real users, I realized that's not the real problem. The real problem is we don't turn what we consume into something we can reuse. And this truth hit me really hard recently. One of my users signed up for the paid plan, and he told me exactly how he's using it. Transcribing his work meetings, analyzing training sessions, and extracting key metrics from all those recordings. That's why it clicked for me. People are not paying for summaries. They are paying to make their work easier. So Sipsip is no longer just a transcription tool. It's becoming a system that helps you turn meetings, videos, and files into something you can actually use for work or learning. Let me show you how it works. Say I have a YouTube video I saved. Instead of watching the full video, Sipsip gives me full transcript, summary, and key points. So in seconds, I understand what matters. But this is where it becomes much more valuable. Upload meeting recordings. Now, instead of rewatching meetings, I can search anything that was said, find decisions, and extract action items. If I use meetings every day, this alone saves hours every week. And this is what most of our paid users were doing. Instead of just transcribing YouTube videos, they use Sipsip to summarize everything, analyze content, extract insights, and even track patterns. So it's not just an AI tool. It's turning content into something measurable. Most tools stop at transcription. They give you text, but text alone is not useful. Inside Sipsip, you can actually build on top of that. You can save important insights, tag them, and organize them. Over time, you are building your own knowledge base. And the Mindverse is where Sipsip becomes really powerful. You can ask things like, what are the key takeaways from my recent meetings? What patterns are showing up in my YouTube watch list? Instead of digging through files, you just ask. We also added a few things to make it easier to use. You can upload local files, you can drop links directly in Discord, and access everything from the web app. So the way I think about Sipsip now is, it's not just about consuming content, it's about not losing what you've already consumed, and actually turning it into something useful. If you attend a lot of meetings, have a long YouTube watch list, do extensive research, or constantly deal with long content, this is probably something you'll find useful. I'd recommend trying it with something simple. Take one meeting recording or one YouTube video saved and run it through Sipsip. You will immediately see how it fits your workflow. I'm still building this and improving it based on how people actually use it. If you try it, I'd love to hear how you use it. Thank you.